How many positive integers x make the following statement true? So x must be a positive integer. One positive integer is x more than 3 times the other, and the sum of both is 32. So I have one positive integer, let's call that I, and that is or equals x more than, that's plus x, more than 3 times the other positive integer. So 3 times, we'll call the other positive integer n, plus x, that's what I is. The sum of both, that is I plus n, is or equals 32. So I can substitute 3n plus x for I, and the result is 32 minus 4n. Okay, so we can see as n is getting larger here, x eventually crosses over to negative territory. In fact, it's at n equals 8 that x is going to equal 0. Well, that can't be, right? Because x must be a positive integer. So the maximum n must be 7. Well, what about the other direction as n goes down? N could go to 0, but again, that's a problem because n cannot be 0 because then it would not be a positive integer. So n has to be at least 1 minimum, which would make this 32 minus 4n, which is 32 minus 4, or 28. So x would be 28 in that case. That does work. It's a positive integer. So it looks like the ranges of x will correspond to the range of possible n's from 1 to 7. So there should be 7 values of x, since x corresponds directly to n.